Most people who start to study mindset do it because they want to change something in their life. They either want more of something, or they want less of something, or they want both. And they realize that their thought energy, their thoughts and their feelings and their behaviors, of course, have an impact on their results. So if you want to change your results, you need to change your thinking, you need to change how you feel, and you need to change what you do, your behaviors. Your attitude needs to change. And you quickly realize once you study this material that you have to be disciplined. You have to come up with a routine, a new set of things that you do in order to bring about change in your life. I call that your DMO, your daily method of operation. And this week, I'm going to talk about what makes for a good DMO. I'm going to share my DMO in the Quantum Leap community. I'm going to share my goals, my affirmations, my routine that I go through every morning to help me move closer to the goals I have, to make changes in my life. And I hope you'll follow along, and I hope you'll reach out to me if you have any questions. Thanks for listening today.